homozygous recessive when it carries only the recessive alleles. An individual that carries both a dominant and a recessive allele for a trait is said to be heterozygous for the trait. The outward physical expression of a trait is known as the phenotype. The genotype describes the types of alleles that determine that trait. Each of the 7 traits Mendel chose to study had only 2 alleles. If he had used other traits with 3 or more possible alleles, he probably would not have arrived at the same conclusions.
Go back, reverse a bit, let me listen.
However, Mendel...
He said 3 or more alleles, that means there can be such thing as 3 or more.
Yes, then that time just now that one. I didn't listen. Play again.
No, you read. Yeah. If he had used other traits with 3
Each
or
of
more
the 7
possible.
traits Mendel chose to
3 or
study
more
had only 2
possible.
alleles. If he had used other traits with 3 or more possible alleles, he probably would not have arrived at the same conclusions.
I think possible as in 3 or more ways that they can change. Instead of just green and yellow, can be green, yellow, red. I think they're trying to say that. Oh yeah.
Different traits, ah.
Oh yeah. Like just now you're playing like you don't know what, they don't know the big R, then the small R, then the big Y, then the small Y. Yeah, it's a
No, phenotype.
Phenotype and what?
Genes. No, phenotype genes.
No, phenotype is the appearance.
Appearance type of genes.
Hey, I learned it, huh?
I didn't say you're wrong.
Then he just play.
However, Mendel had other questions. Did various traits interact and affect how each was passed on? Could the expression of several traits be predicted as cleanly as a single trait? The answers to these and other questions remained to be found.
Lala.
He guess. He should do more times.
No more, ah.
In the first program, we saw the events that led Mendel to develop his first law, the independent segregation of alleles. In developing this law, Mendel studied only one pair of genes at a time. This type of genetic cross is known as a monohybrid cross. In this program, we will see how Mendel went further to consider crosses between individuals that differed in 2 pairs of genes, the dihybrid cross. Elementary Genetics, Part 2.